This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. In this take, I'll be showing you how to cut the top of the fabric of your garment bag. What I have is 40 inches in length of this fabric, but the top part is the part that we are most concerned with in this clip because we want to make sure that it is at the right angle that we'll need for the hanger to fit in there and for the garment bag to hang properly once the garment bag is made. So I will just freehand a cutting line here, and then we'll fold the fabric over so we have an identical line on the other side, like this. And cut the other side so that they are symmetrical. Now, that way we have the makings of a garment bag. You can already see it taking form.